3-Minute Thursday video focuses on the mean, also called the average, as part of our Statistics 101 refresher series, with frequently asked questions and real-world examples. The mean, also called the average, is a descriptive statistic that is a measure of centrality, or it's a measure that's getting to the center of the data set, like slicing through this pizza to get to the middle and cut off a slice. Count up the number of slices per pizza that you were able to cut, then add that up. All the pizzas that you cut, divide by the number of pizzas to get the average number of slices per pizza you were able to cut using your preferred pizza cutting method or drug. One frequently asked question is the mean the same as the median or the mode? The answer is no. The median is the number in the middle when the data is organized from the smallest to the largest number. The mode is the most occurring number in the dataset. Another frequently asked question is, do all the numbers in the dataset have to be in the same unit of measurement to calculate the mean? The answer is yes. They have to be in the same unit of measurement. For example, if some of the data is weight data and it's in pounds, some of the data is in ounces, all of that data has to be converted to either pounds or ounces before it can be added up and then the mean can be calculated. For example, using the sample dataset of an e-commerce store, which was featured in our video on how to calculate descriptive statistics, including the mean, using Google Sheets, we can calculate things such as the average price. That's something that we're interested in looking at. Or maybe this e-commerce business is trying to improve their packing, they're trying to make their packaging materials more sustainable, but they're also worried about the package weight because that affects the cost of the postage. So they're doing a comparison study of different packing materials, looking at what the average cost is of the materials and the postage. Another example using the average or the mean would be this example, which was shown in our previous video on how to add filters in Tableau. This is looking at public health measure for air quality, looking at the average daily particulate matter that's 2.5 micrometers in diameter or smaller, comparing the daily averages to the state average and putting a graph together, comparing those 5 different cities to see how much of a difference between the state average and the city average there was. Another example of using that to mean or the average would be a florist or a plant nursery, comparing the average number of sales of different types of flowers during different seasons. Now that we've refreshed and reviewed what the mean or the average is and given some examples, one is an example of how using the mean or the average would be useful in a data set from your work or from your life.